Good morning, trading family. I wanted to just kind of do an analysis really quick on USD CAD and show you why I spotted this as an intraday opportunity. And you can pair this up with the information inside of the training manual and see exactly how it's on point. So, as you know, we always do our analysis off of the daily, whether if you're trading intraday or if you're scalping. And the reason being is because we want to trade from the best levels. So, as you can see, USD CAD has been in a downtrend, so you can see that, but it came to a very powerful demand structure level. Okay, so looking at this, you can see on the daily, I can scroll to the left, and I can see the last time price has been in this zone was back in April 20th of 2018. So this is a very powerful demand structure level that bought in some buying pressure eventually. Okay. And you can see this impulse move right here on the daily. So we have this impulse move, we have a nice correction, and the correction came right back to the previous resistance zone. So you can see that this is where the market is starting to shift from a downtrend to an uptrend. It broke the market structure here of this previous high. And then you can see on this pullback, look where price is rejecting now. So previous resistance has now become support. All right. So now that I know this, when I look at this, I wanted to wait until price gets back down to the structure level because I believe that the market is trying to shift back into an uptrend. So I'm going to wait until price gets to the structure zone and see how it reacts. So as an intraday trader, you would have waited for the price to come back to this level, and then you look for your entry opportunity. So if we are looking to trade with the trend, we even have our impulse move on the daily followed by a correction, and we look for the continuation to the upside. So if I go back down to the 4 hour now, this is where I'm going to look for my intraday opportunity. Now, why? Because I'm looking to be in that trade for anywhere for maybe 4 hours to about maybe 8 hours or so. And you could get about on an intraday opportunity about 40 pips, 40 to maybe 60 pips, depending on the pair you're trading. Now, USD CAD carries a higher spread, so I don't recommend it for scalping, but for intraday, it shouldn't be that bad. So now look at the price action on the 4 hour. You can see more clearly as I've drilled down. Now I have a 50 MA that I like to keep on here. I usually will hide it and then I'll just use it as additional confluence. So what I like about this is that I now have two touches off my trend line. I have a rejection right at this structure level, which is also alignment. And then price is above my 50 MA. So that's a third confirmation for an uptrend. And then now I add my KiSS confirmation for confluence. And what I love about this is let's drill down to the 5 minutes. So here's your 5 minute confirmation, which I dropped in Telegram. Now, sometimes you will have a confirmation. So look here how you had a confirmation. Actually, you had a confirmation about right here, and then price went up. It came back down, retested. And then you can kind of see it kind of hovered here, right? And then it eventually broke. So sometimes you're not going to get the best entry. And this is where risk management comes in. And I talk about this a lot in our academy for those of you who are in there. And I love the fractional lot size method, which I came up with. Now, look at your confirmation on the 15 minute. Okay. So look how price broke. It basically was still in a reversal zone. So because look, let me show you. All right. So look at this shadow. Look at this shadow, or wick, we also call it. So this is all a reversal zone. So even though I had my line kind of, well, it's always been here, but you could see right here where price was holding as support. And now look at this rejection candle. So this is telling you price doesn't want to keep going any lower. And it's also in a very strong reversal zone. And now you can see with our confluence, look what price has done. Beautiful. Right? So that's your 5 minute, and look at that beautiful 15 minute confirmation. You have a rejection right here on the 15 minute, and now you have your RSI, which is right at the 28. I like it to be below 30, preferably below 20, but everything is shooting up and beautiful. We're in profit. Okay. So I hope you find this analysis helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys keep safe. God bless and Merry Christmas.